Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitrakas. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel, write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me more videos. This is the continuation of the previous video on toll plazas. Today, from toll plazas, from FASTag, our government is collecting 40,000 crores of revenue. And there's a good news and bad news to us on toll plazas. Slowly, the FASTag will get fade away. GNSS system will get incorporated in national highways and ORRs, etc. Any country, the national highways and outer ring road and inner ring road and the infrastructure will boom business and growth to everyone. What is GNSS? Global Navigation Satellite System. From top, your toll will be collected from your private cars or private vehicles. How I am going to explain you. So there are a lot of perforation happening on toll plazas. Someone comes till the toes, then go to the service road and covers the gets out of the toll payment. Same way from that side also. So one good news is, with this GNSS system incorporated by the government of India, you will, for people who are staying near to the toll, 20 kilometers, for anyone who is using the toll, outer ring road or highways, anything, they'll be not charged. With the high security number plate, when you are going on high speed, you will get a ticket on your mobile. Same, the satellite system from top will help the government to collect your toll. So the leakage and perforation which is happening by using service roads or leaving to another side of the toll will all get. And the government is expecting to make 150 crores of revenue generated by incorporation of GNSS, Global Navigation Satellite System. This satellite system checks with a system installed in your car or your private vehicle, gives 20 kilometers free. After that, you are charged. So this is the new policy which is incorporated from September 2024, which is done on a pilot in Bangalore and some other cities, which will be slowly implemented in rest of the cities. And slowly the FASTag system will get fade away. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitrakas. Thank you.